Again! Think fast! Listen, that child is going to be a pro athlete. Oh!
You're just supposed to catch it.
Who's talking?
This is Ronnie.
Who said how you doing?
I'm not home. What you
What?
got? What do you have? Is that a package?
I'm talking
Get
to
off the phone and talk to me.
Wait a minute. What?
Talk to the doorbell.
You want me to ring the doorbell?
Hey, don't be grabbing my bag. Hey, I got you on camera. Yo, I got you on camera. Put that thing back. I'm sitting there watching you on camera. Put the back. Get it there.
Hello, man. Hey, can you order some pizza?
Yeah.
Hey, look, we pulled a driver and ran a bunch of warrants.
It's your DoorDash.
We're not interested.
Wow. Okay.
Okay. No worries.
See you then.
Hey,
Are
stop
you
that.
okay?
Leave my house or I'm calling the police.
Okay, what you need to do...
Hey, leave my house. Stop now or I'm calling the police.
Why would you tell me that?
Because you're trying to push my door in. Leave now.
Sir, I'm about to smash what's in there.
I'm calling the police.
Get away from the door! Who is that?
look at that derisive fire spreading from fireworks, subscribe to the channel.
We're not interested.
Wow. Okay.
Okay. No worries.
See you then.
Hey! Get out of there. Get off my property.
Oh, that ain't gonna never hurt nobody. Look. You doing laundry? No. Oh, okay. Let me put this over here out of the way. All right, well, good to see you. God bless you as always, darling. You're looking good, like that hair. You got it down. I got to work on mine. See you later, darling. Bye-bye.
Hello? 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 I'm calling the police. Hello? 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 I'm calling the police.
He's on the flip. Oh, God. Ow. Ow.
I'm so glad.
You crying?
Yeah.
You're okay, buddy.
I'm trying not to cry.
Come here, buddy. It's okay. Okay, buddy. You're still daddy's little boy, okay? 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 Your little sister's on it, right? I love you, buddy. You're still daddy's favorite, okay?
A neighbor shared this doorbell video of what appears to be a zombie at her front door. Let's hope this guy finds some help.
Hello?
You want solar?
No thanks.